Serious work trucks are judged on two main criteria: towing and payload. So Ford is ratcheting up both in their all-new 2020 Super Duty. Shipping to dealers this fall, the Super Duty lineup, which includes the F250, F350, and F450, is powered by a 6.2-liter gas V8 as standard. Or customers can upgrade to the next generation 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel V8, making more horsepower and torque. Or they can opt for a new entry, a 7.3-liter gas V8. Though numbers have not been released, Ford says they expect the 7.3 to be the most powerful gas V8 in its class. All three engines will use a new Ford-developed 10-speed automatic transmission designed for the harshest towing conditions. Without citing specifics, Ford says this Super Duty offers its highest ever conventional, gooseneck, and fifth-wheel towing and payload ratings. Optimized cooling across the range is courtesy of a new front-end design that also enhances the performance of the LED headlamps. Ford says the improved front bumper also makes using the utility hooks easier. The cabin has been completely refreshed, crafted with the use of even more luxurious materials on the limited model, and modern touches such as wireless charging, Wi-Fi, and Pro Trailer Backup Assist add technology, connectivity, and convenience. Though pricing has yet to be released, the current Super Duty lineup starts at under $35,000, while an F450 Limited can cross $90,000. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.